If you want to be a part of the future of holograms, it's happening now. The 3D hologram printers are finally here. This is the first ever of its kind. You can print videos and GIFs to have animation in the hologram. You can print three-dimensional portraits. You can print three-dimensional models, computer graphics models, stuff that never existed in the real world, but you can bring into the digital world. This could be part of a whole new generation of holographic artists, holographic education, hologram entrepreneurs. We're excited to see what people do with this and new businesses that kind of come out of it. There are just areas that are going to open up because holograms and digital holograms can now actually be something that you do. You know, if you want to stay up to date and you're not up to date, make sure you take a look at our blog, our email, sign up for that on the website. If you've been following us, I'm sure you're excited to see this happen too. You know what a labor of love this has been. This is just gushing and raining, and we were just about to deliver our first 3D hologram printers, and our office got hit with a massive office flood. Kid you not, the entire office was about 2 inches underwater. We had to completely move our offices, completely reestablish our procedures, our manufacturing, and we're now at the point where we're ready to reintroduce the 3D hologram printer. So it has been so hard, but this is something I am just bound and determined to make happen. I want to get this out there in the real world. Before this, you really would have to be a kind of a large-scale university or a big corporate lab. You'd have to spend thousands, if not tens of thousands, maybe even more on the right type of laser. You'd have to have an optical table, a vibration isolation table to dampen vibrations down to the nanometer scale. We've been able to turn this into something that you can put on a standard desktop. Really, it's taking an optical lab that would typically take almost $1 million. Our first hologram printer that we created for ourselves costs about $1 million. We've made something that now for thousands of dollars you can make your own digital hologram. So we're so excited about this. I'm excited about future generations that can do bigger holograms, digital holograms, more motion, higher resolution, and eventually, we see getting to full color hologram printers. But we got to take those first steps. So I'm excited that you're here with us to see us take those first steps. Get it out there. We are about to deliver our batch 1 units. If you're not one of those people who's gotten yours, feel free to sign up for the next batches that are coming out. They are very limited quantities that we're doing right now to make sure that we stage them properly. Come be a part of the hologram community. Make sure you check out our website and see what we're doing on a regular basis. Sign up for our email list so we can let you know as soon as it happens, and keep an eye on our blog and our videos. Thanks for being part of this journey.